Okay, I found them. Right, I got a bigger screwdriver this time. I've already done the one on the other side. Right. Is there a moment of truth? Will it fit? Here we go. Oh, yeah. Let's get a bit of printed circuit board in there. So that gap at the back. Yeah, there we are. So there you are. Okay, and with that bar at the back supporting it as well. I may even just use a piece of MDF on the back, but this will be fixed with a nut and bolt through there. So I think I'll do the support first and then do the fixing afterwards. I'm getting there slowly, even if I am, oh sorry, my hand was in the way, even if I am slow. So I'm quite chuffed with that. Beginning to look like a proper machine, doesn't it? Well, proper CNC machine. We've got the axis in place. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to now prepare to fit that on there. And I'll try and figure out something to act as it's going to have to be an adjustable level so that I can adjust for the tilt backwards and forwards. I mean, once I've got the support in position and at the right, so I've got it vertical, I can then drill a hole through the front and into here. What I'll probably have to do is glue a couple of nuts on the back in position and leave that overnight to go off really, really hard so that I can put the screws in from this end, and it should then lock it in position. And if that works well, because I've got the space there for nuts, you know, there's no problem with that. If it works well, then I'll more than likely actually no, I won't, because I won't have the space. Yeah, it looks like I'm going to have to, if I do need the higher one, is I'm going to have to think of something along these lines, but simpler to fix, like a metal one or something like that. I don't know yet. Okay then, well I'll let you go and prepare the top piece ready, and then we'll see if we can get some action that way. Okay, now we're getting ready to put the bar on, which will help support the Dremel and the Z-axis. Now that one will go in that position, and this one is going to go in this position, and then between them will be the bar. And it will depend greatly on what stuff you get from your printers, as I've said many times before, and so measurements are arbitrary, but so I think these holes that I'm doing here should be about right for all sorts of sliding bars, however you decide to make them, and that is from what will be the back 1.5 inches and 7/8 from the top. I've marked it top, see? That way round? Okay, that way round. Right, now then, we get our drill, a block of wood, but we don't drill all the way in, okay? We just drill in until we've got a reasonable depth pocket. And that's going to be a GI measurement, guess it. I haven't got the right size drill for this bar that I've got, so what I'm having to do is use the Dremel to cut out the right size. And for some unknown reason, this Dremel keeps popping out, even though, keeps popping out, even though I've tightened it up thoroughly. Tighten it up thoroughly. Right, let's try that. That wants a bit more. I'm surprised you're not cockeyed. I'm not looking for a super tight fit. All I'm doing is looking for a fit, because there you go, just like that, just like that. And they will sit, oh look at that, perfect, absolutely perfect, great stuff, right. Take all this out. Oops. Oh, a bit of news. I've found a chap on YouTube, can't remember, Edge K I think his name is on YouTube, can't remember exactly, but he's managed to get Arduino talking, sorry, Mac 3 talking to Arduino, and the UNO, which is what I'm hoping to be using. Right, oops it is. Oh. That'll teach me on it. Right, now then. Excuse me. Just going to clean these holes up so I can stop my hand from going all over the place. It's old age, you see. As I keep saying to everybody, when they say to me, I'm old, I say, Christ, I'm not that young, I'm primordial. I was the one that stirred the primordial soup. Look at that mess of the world I made. Okay, now then. I've got these marked top and front so that they go in, so that's on the top and the front. And I'll bring you up a bit, I didn't realise you couldn't see what I was up to properly. There we go. I do apologise about that. Right. Yep, that's okay. Right, now what I'm going to do in this instance, because I don't want the only have to cause trouble, because I've put longish screws in here. And what I'm going to do is start the first one off with a drill. Three, four. Put the lid down, couldn't find it. Oh well. I need glasses anyway. Oh. No, well, I nearly forgot. The welder. Okay. Oops daisy. I'll shove some down the hole this time as well. I don't really want this coming apart. Wait for it to come through the end. And the R. Right. Now, make sure that is square. Yes, I'll do it this way. Oops. Overflow. What I've done is I've held it tight at the bottom and then brought the top across so that the two corners are on the flat. So I've done that. Right. Drill. Okay. And then right. Oh dear, oh dear. You never guess what I've just done. Yep. I've put it on the wrong side. Oh dear. Which just goes to show nobody's perfect. By the way, my name's Nobody. Oh dear, oh dear. Right. Try again, shall we? Only the right end. I'll put some more weld on. Oh dear, oh dear. I can't believe I did that, but there you go. Because I was going to say, now before you put the other end on, you need to put the bar in. Well, before you can put the bar in, you need to put the right end on. Oh dear. What a gay day. Right. Square it up again, Raymond. That's it. Fancy putting it on the right end. I know this is a bit boring for you, but this is an important stage, I feel, so bear with me. Right, so that goes around that way. Okay, so that will go in there. That one will go on there. I'll change over the drill, shall I? Oh dear. I think I'll call this one Comedy of Errors. Yeah, my nice EV Comedy of Errors. Even better when I get the drilling a chip. Okay. That level. That's level. Oops. Hurry up. As you probably hear, drill dying. Won't be for much longer. Shall we check? Right. Shall we have another go, peeps? Oh dear. Right, pardon me. I'm not worried about not being able to take the bar off again, because the type of arrangement I'm going to be using to attach the Z-axis, I won't need to, because as I said, it's going to have a two-fold protection. One which will be this one to hold it in place, and then the other one will be overhanging here, and if this fails in any way, it will just hit that and stop. It won't go anywhere. Well, that's the theory anyway. I'll turn this round when I've done this, so you can see what I've achieved in doing this. Use coverage ring, and that's it. Yeah, get in there nice and tight into the extra slippery. Right, now then, here we go. Right, there it is. Oops. So not to fuse books about. Now that will now sit in there, and then I shall have an arrangement going back to the bar so that it will, let's do it that way, shall I? Then you can see what I'm doing. Then it will slide up and down. Just like that. Okay, so that's the next episode. And hopefully by then I'll have some electronics to have a go at getting the motors to go backwards and forwards. Don't hold me to that, but I'll do my best. Bye for now.